Oh, my lash. Oh my God, it's stuck. Okay. What's up, my niecees, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back in a new year. Yes, I disappeared, but don't mind me, mind your business, okay? Keep that to yourself. Don't tell me none of that. We are about 20 days into 2021, but this is my official Happy New Year. Hello, I love y'all. Thank y'all for continuously sticking with me. We are growing, so of course this is gonna be a, kind of New Year. It's the same me, but I guess New Year, new me. I look a little different. We'll go with that. But anyway, one of the new things that you will get to see is coming up, and that is my new intro that I made. So peep that, watch that, check that out. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, because I know I enjoy making it. I love learning new stuff, y'all. Y'all know me. I post about it all the time. But yeah, we're gonna get started. So for my newbies, my new nieces, hello. Yes, y'all are nieces and not nieces. I said that before, but I'm reiterating that for everyone, because my name is Moniece Dijon. That's the channel, so you are a niecey. Get that in your head. Period. Anyway, so if you don't know, my channel is a lifestyle channel. Now, I did switch it up a little bit for Vlogmas. If you look on my channel, you'll see all of the videos that have the little blue kind of snowy background. Those are all my Vlogmas series. So Vlogmas had like Mommy Monday, Topic Tuesdays, Winter Wednesdays was another one, Throwback Thursdays, and then Foodie Fridays, and then it kind of I threw some stuff in there on the weekend, so that was kind of everywhere. For one, it was getting out a bunch of different content of a different stuff that I love to do, but my channel itself is really a lifestyle channel. It is about my life, which is why I changed my banner to With Love from Moniece Dijon. You know, if you read my descriptions, that's in every description of my videos. I put it at the end of all of them. If you haven't been reading the description, then you should do that, because you just should. I mean, it's a nice thing to do. But my banner says learning to love the life I live. So that's gonna come with life updates with me, being married, spending time with my family. So again, a lifestyle content channel about my life. It's pretty much it. But yeah, so this year I'm gonna be throwing some stuff at y'all. If you've watched the 2020 recap, you kind of know where we are in life. A little bit more happened, and I will give you all an update about that as far as why I did not finish Vlogmas, because it was wild. Okay, it was crazy. But I will still be submitting, I sound like I'm in school. I will be posting our Christmas vlog, because I still want y'all to see it. I worked really hard on it, and you'll see in that video we are switching up our editing a little bit. We're switching up a lot of stuff for the new year. Looks as well, as y'all can clearly see. We have changed some things around, but I'm just super excited to be on this journey, because as I begin to step into myself and continuously grow as a person, I love taking y'all on the journey with me, and that is really what this channel is. It's about life, like the ups and downs, tops and turvy, everything that comes with it, and just me being honest and open and vulnerable with y'all. So I'm really glad for those who continuously have supported me, my new nieces that are here. Like, y'all don't understand how grateful I am to have people who are here on the journey with me. But yes, so mainly, again, it's gonna be lifestyle. So that also deals with my relationships, whether that's relationships with my husband, with my family, with my children. Like, all of that is gonna be about the relationships, and I'm going to be vlogging as much as possible. Y'all know I love vlog. I love me a good vlog, so y'all will be getting all of that, continuous updates with apartments and the cars and stuff like that, and as well as food. Now, y'all know I am a foodie. I've done a few food videos, but I'm going to continuously add that, because I love to cook, because I love to learn new things. So I do want to share that with y'all as well. So I will be doing that. And Organization is another one, because y'all know, if you've seen like my KonMari method video, like the clean with me, I love cleaning videos. I clean all the time. I never get to really fully record, but I will try to add more of that in there if you want to see it, so let me know. But yeah, that's it and that's all. I am so excited. Like, we're going into a new year, going in as strong as I possibly can. If things come up, y'all know, y'all gonna know, because I'm gonna come on here and tell you. But whatever you want to see out of my life, if you have questions or videos, things you want me to keep you updated on, then please put it down in the comments and let me know. I also do a lot of polls and questions on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, give me a follow, and I'll be posting a lot of stuff to my stories there, so you can see it as well. And all of my people who support me on Instagram, I'll make sure to shout you out on my YouTube as well, so go ahead and do that. But that's it and that's all. So you already know how this is gonna go. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like. If you got something to say, put it where? Down in the comments below. And if you want to see more, then subscribe and hit my notification bell like that, so you can catch up on every time I post. And that's pretty much wrapping it up. So I'm about to show y'all this new outro, and we're gonna be out of there, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.